Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to have a look at this very beautiful Citizen Quartz watch from the 90s. A very elegant, medium-sized watch, a very nice condition. As you can see, the watch case is in almost pristine, immaculate condition. The watch crystal is very decent. As you can see, there are a few minor scratches that can only be seen in certain angles. So a very nice overall condition with a very beautifully designed dial, very elegant, retro, but at the same time very luxurious. As you can see, we have the full black center, as you can see right here, and then we have an outer ring that isn't so pitch black, and that is where we have all the hour markers, which as you can see are very nicely designed. We have this let's say diamond cut squares that we can see at 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and then we have the double pointer right here. At 3 o'clock we can find the date window with a small gold tone dot right next to it, so a very nice date complication as well. Here on the back we have the original signed Citizen watch back with the details about the watch. We have placed the watch on this black strap so that it matches this retro style, and at the same time we have the gold tone buckle, so a very nice piece. The watch is powered by a quartz movement. As you can see, it is ticking, it is in perfect working condition, and it keeps accurate time. And then something very interesting is that on this outer bezel, let's say, we have these Roman numerals, so the 12-hour markers that are basically doubled from the dial. So something really unique, something very beautiful from the 90s. A very nice dress watch for both men and women in very nice condition, as I mentioned. And if you want to check it out along with a lot of other Citizen quartz and mechanical watches, you can find them on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below guys, so make sure to check them out. And if you enjoyed this type of content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.